Hello, this is Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello friends, in this video I will show you how I make a wall art from this piece of wood. Okay, this is a square piece of wood, and first I'm going to sand it with the sander. See, I have the sander, electric sander. I'm not going to sand it too much because I'm going to paint it anyway, and it's a wall art. It will not be visible too much. Okay, now I'm going to clean it a little bit, wipe it with a wet cloth. Then I should let it dry, and then I'm going to paint it with white. I have cut these pieces of wood using my table saw and also my hand saw, and now I'm going to paint. Some of them I have painted in black, some in red, and this is bright red. So I'm going to take a couple of pieces here, and I'm going to dip it into this, okay, and then I'm going to put it here, okay, and then this star here I'm going to I have this star here. I'm going to screw it in the middle, okay. And then the other small squares, I'm going to use this Gorilla Glue. See, this Gorilla Glue is very strong, so it will stick even without pressing. So I just put some glue here. And then I take a block and I attach it here. Okay. This time I'm going to use this glue, this Elmer's wood glue. Okay. So I'm going to pour some glue here. So I have assembled this art, and now I'm ready to hang it. So I have this nail here in the wall, and I'm going to just hang it here. It looks nice. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.